Welcome. In this video we are going to see how to change the page size or margin size after you created a document. Before you do that, you should ask two questions yourself. First one is, you want to change only one page or all of the pages in the document. The second one is, you want to change the content size or at the same. This is magazine document. I want to jump second page, so I hold Alt key and press page down button. If you want to go previous page, press Alt key and page up button. Now I hold Alt key and page down. Now I jump to second page. If you want to change only in this page, select this page tool, third at the tools panel, and click once. Now you can see a blue lines appeared, and you can see the corners also, and over the mouse cursor on the corner. Mouse cursor changed the double and arrow, and click once and drag it. If you release the mouse button, it went reverse at the top. The secret is hold Alt key in the keyboard, then click and drag it. Now the page is resized. If you want to change more precise, go to the control panel. You can see a lower left corner reference point locked here, and change the size you want. I want to change A4. Only this page changed to A4 size. If you want to change the margin, go to the pages panel. Now the page is highlighted. Click once to confirm it, and go to the layout menu and choose margins and columns. Here you can change every page you want or what page you are selected, and you can adjust the content also by select this adjustment layout, but this time I want to turn off it. Now I change this bottom margin size to 150 points and click OK. You can see the margin moved to 150 points at the bottom. Now I want to undo it, so click Ctrl Z to undo it, and go to the layout menu and click margins and columns. Here I select this bottom 150 points. Now the preview is checked on, and click this adjust layout checked on. You can see the margins moved. Also the text frame is fit to this margin. I don't like the change, so I leave checked off and click cancel. Now I want to undo couple of times. Now the changes are reversed. Now I want to change all of the pages, so I go to file menu. Here I choose document setup. Here you can change the page size all of the pages. Here you can see start page number, and you can see the page size here. If you choose A4, now the page size resized to A4, or if you choose other, turn on preview checkbox. Now you can see the page size is resized. A4, this is A4, this is all other page size, but I don't like the change, so I click cancel it. Also you can change the layout all of the pages, so go to file menu. Here choose adjust layout and choose letter here, and you can adjust the font size also. Click this checkbox and click OK. Layout is resized, also the font size. This adjust layout feature minimize your working time. With a simple click you can change all of the pages layout. Thank you for watching. I will meet you the next lesson.